grade 2. How are you today? Look, this is Miss Marwa with you, and I'm here today to talk about Unit 1, Lesson 2. Are you ready? Let's start. Before we start, we are going to listen to this, to watch this song about farm animals. Let's remember this together. Here I am. This is cow.
What do you say? Moo, moo. That's what I say. Finger, where are you?
What are these?
How do you do? Finger, what do you say? Oink, oink. That's what I say. Chicken finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Chicken finger, what do you say? Cluck, cluck, that's what I say. Sheep finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sheep finger, what do you say? Ba, ba, that's what I say. Dog finger,
What are these?
where
Duck.
are you? Here I am, how do you do? Dog finger, what do you say? Quack, quack, that's what I say.
Okay, and now we finished of this and we had some fun together. Okay, so we are going to talk about farm. We are going to talk about farm. Let's see. What I have to choose? 1 or 2 or 3? Excellent, I'm going to choose number 1. So, what is this here? On the farm. So we are going to speak about the farm. What is this? What do you think? Oh, it's a farmer. He is a farmer. What is he doing? He works on the farm. He works on the farm. He plants the seeds. He watered the plants, and he picks the flower. So he is a farmer. Let's see what's going to come next. What are these? Yes, it's what? Field. Field. So what is field, Miss Marwa? Field is a big area which is green, and we plant our vegetables and our fruits there. So this is field. This is what? Field. Excellent. Ready? What are these? I hear someone said that this is grass. This is what? Grass. What's grass? Grass is the little green flowers, like flowers, which we have in the garden. Which we have in the garden. It's called grass. So what it is? Grass. Can you see this? What happened here? There's some seeds, and it's growing time by time. It's growing. So what happened to this seed? Grow. What happened to this seed? Grow. Like when you have a baby, is he gonna be a baby all the time? Or he's going to grow? Very good. Now like this seed, it's growing. It's what? Growing. What else? Try this. Excellent. It's pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? I love it very much. So this is what? Pizza. And which kind of pizza do you like? For me, I like chicken pizza. What about you? What kind of pizza do you like? So what is this? Pizza. And I think this is the last one. Tractor. It's what? Tractor. Tractor. It's a kind of cars, but where I can find this tractor? Excellent. I can find it on the farm. I can find it on the farm. Can I see tractor on the street? Can I see the tractor in the school? No. Where can I find the tractor? On the farm. And who drives this tractor? Excellent. The farmer. The farmer drives this tractor. Is there any words else? No, we have finished of this. Now, let's revise them again. Farmer, field, grass, grow, pizza, and tractor. Are you ready to answer the questions? Ready or not? I can't hear you. Very good. Ready. Let's see. Read and complete. I have field, farmer, tractor, grass, pizza, and grow. Alex works on a farm. Alex works on a farm. So he is a farmer. Excellent. My sister eats space for lunch. My sister eats what? Can my sister eat field? Of course not. Can she eat farmer? How come? Can she eat tractor? No. Can she eat grass? Can she eat pizza? Yes, that's it. So my sister eats pizza for lunch. Very good. The farmer works in the space and I take care of the goats. The farmer works in the what? The farmer works in grow. Now it can be pizza, we talked it before, and it can be too. Grass, no. Tractor, no. Farmer, we are asking about him. The farmer works in the field. The farmer works in the field and I take care of the goats. Let's complete. My uncle has got a space. He writes it on his farm. He writes it. So he has got a tractor. Excellent. He has got a tractor. My grandpa has got fields of running. My grandpa has got fields of what? Let's see. Fields of grass. My grandpa has got fields of grass. It means a big area of grass. Well done. Excellent.
Well done.
Okay. What happened next? Now we know the farm animals and we know what we can find in on the farm. And now, are you ready? Excellent. Let's see this. Can you remember what did we talk? What did we take last time? Take has got and have got. What does it mean? Can you look at this to know? Look at this girl. This girl has got a computer. This girl has got a computer. So, is that right? Yes, she has got a computer. What about this girl? Has this girl got a computer too? I can't see any computer here. So, has she got a computer? No. So, this girl hasn't got a computer. This girl hasn't got a computer. What about this? They, I think, yeah, they have got a cat. Can you see this cat? Yeah. They have got a cat. What about the others? Have they got any cats? I can't see any cats. Can you see it? Can you see it? No, I can't see any cats here. So, they haven't got a cat. They haven't got a cat. And from this, we can see that I have here he, she, and it. Take, hasn't got. Take what? Hasn't got. What about I, we, you, and they? They talk hasn't got to? No. They take, haven't got. They take what? Haven't got. So, lady, has got and have called, we called it affirmative. What about this? We called it negative. So, when I see not here, it's called negative. When I see not, it's called negative. So, hasn't got or haven't got, it's called negative form of this. So, let's repeat again. He, she, it, take. Hasn't got. I, we, you, they, take. Haven't got. Ready to practice? Let's see. Read and complete. Hasn't got or haven't got. I, 3 legs. I can't know the answer. I take. Hasn't got or haven't got. Do you know the answer? Tell me. Excellent. It's it's the answer. Close your eyes, close your eyes. So I take, haven't got. I haven't got 3 legs. What about Jack? Jack space a big car. Jack is a boy. Jack, I can put he instead of Jack, so he take, hasn't got or haven't got. Jack take, hasn't got. Excellent. Jack hasn't got a big car. My sister space a pink doll. My sister space a pink doll. My sister, who is my sister? My sister, can I say about my sister I? Can I say instead of my sister they? No. What I have to put instead of my sister, I put she. So, remind me again, she takes what? Hasn't got or haven't got? Hasn't got. Excellent. She hasn't got a pink doll. You. Number 4, you. Space green eyes. You haven't got green eyes. I haven't got 2 green eyes. Write the negative form. Now we have affirmative sentence and you are going to turn it to negative. Let's see. My dad has got short hair. If I want to put it in negative, if I want to put it into negative, what I have to say? My dad hasn't got short hair. Excellent. Clap to yourself. Number 2. Grandpa and Grandma have got a farm. Grandpa and Grandma have got a farm. But my grandpa and Grandma, they don't have got a farm. They haven't got a farm. What I have to write here? Grandpa and Grandma haven't got a farm. Excellent. So we turn have got to haven't got. You have got a goat. You have got a goat. Can you answer this? So I will put you as it is, have got. I will turn it to haven't. Answer. You haven't got a goat. Number 4, we have got a tractor. So it will be we haven't got a tractor. Excellent. Clap yourself. Zack and I have got a small family. How can I answer this? Zack and I have got a small family. Zack and I, which is what? We. No, they don't need this. They want from you to replace from Zack and I and put Lucy. Zack and I are plural. But Lucy is one. Lucy take has got, but Zack and I take have got. So I will put Lucy instead of Zack and I. So it will be Lucy hasn't got a small family. Lucy hasn't got a small family. And now we are going to get into punctuation time. Punctuation time, which we have here, the contraction not in hasn't or haven't means has not or have not. So hasn't is the short form of has not, and haven't is the short form of have not. Ready to play? I'm ready. What about you? Big ready to play. Let's go out from here. Save as, don't save, cancel. What I have to do? Don't save them. Of course, don't save. Are you with me? I can see you.
Ever watching, ever crashing, let's hit the beats till they all go pop. We're desperate, but we're angry. If you take my hands, we're never gonna stop.
What I have to choose? Shall I choose this thing? I'll close my eyes. Michael, Michelle, no, it's Michelle or Michael, Michelle. Michelle space a computer. Michelle is a boy. Michelle is a boy, yeah. Michelle is a boy. So it's he take, have. Shall I write he have? Of course not. Shall I write Michelle haven't got? Of course not right. Shall I write Michelle hasn't got a computer? Let's see. Whee! Whee! Let's go back and choose another one. Close my eyes again. Close my eyes. He space a watch. He space a watch. He take hasn't got or haven't got. Excellent. He take hasn't got. Let's see if we choose the wrong one. Can I say he haven't got? So it's not right. The right one is hasn't got. And now this is our lesson for today. We talk the words which we has on the form, and we talk the negative form of has got and have got. See you next video. Goodbye.